Hi everyone, welcome back to Trinity and Calgary. Today is an exciting one. We're not in Calgary now. We are in
Miami. We're gonna cruise to St. Martin
Dominican Republic
and Puerto Rico.
Let's go.
So this Carnival Cruise is by far the biggest cruise that we have been in so far. Actually, it is the largest Carnival Cruise Line, having about 184,000 tonnage, 22 food venues, 2 infinity pools, and numerous jacuzzis. Well, this is a tour of my stateroom. Now let's head on deck. And here's a convenient tip for you. Walk with these magnetic hooks. You know, it's super easy to hang your stuff. And if you don't know by now, this is the famous Carnival logo. Download your Carnival Hub app to get all the info.
St. Martin. A.M. Puerto Rico.
This is Plazas del Armas, which is a meeting place. People come here in the evenings. And they do performances.
And this is the famous Tom Elicker. Follow him on Instagram, people, and you will see all his sculptures and shipped worldwide.
All of that.
we are working for an Atlantic rental car here. We offer like different type cars, sedan, minivan, minibus, any service you need here. When you landing to the cruise ship or airplane, we here. Okay, we are your next choice, and we working together with you. Okay, my name, my cell phone name is 1-829-928-5304. Okay, thank you for joining us, and see you soon.
Well, we've come to an end, and cheers to another great vacation on a Carnival Cruise Line, leaving you with great ideas of places to see on your Caribbean cruise. Signing out from Carnival Celebration. Don't forget to subscribe, click that notification button, and see you on the next video.